Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to complete challenges in Apex Legend. Well, to conquer challenges in Apex Legend, follow these simple steps. First, access the Challenges tab in the main menu. Identify your active challenges and focus on completing them during matches. For combat challenges, engage enemies strategically. Aim for headshots, use diverse weapons, and experiment with legends to unlock specific abilities. Teamwork is crucial, so communicate with your squad and share informations. Exploration challenges may require you to visit certain locations on the map. Plan your drop accordingly and explore the designated areas. Keep an eye out for loot and pay attention to the changing game environment. For weapons challenges, prioritize using the specific weapons when available. Practice with them in different scenarios to improve your skills. Additionally, be on the lookout for specific attachments to enhance your weapon's performance. And adapt your play style to challenge requirements. If you need kills in a particular location, adjust your landing spot. Flexibility is key, so stay aware of your objectives while navigating the dynamic world of Apex Legends. And that's how to complete challenges in Apex Legends. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.